Okay, so we have this young lady that we had a problem with her foot. So I'm going to show you on the other foot because there's a little bump there that we can see. But that's what it looked like before on this side here, right? And in here we had a lot of pain, right? Explain to me about the pain before.
Like stabbing,
Okay.
knife, hot pain
Okay,
in my heel and Achilles.
okay, so
Both.
it was on the bottom as well,
Right,
and in the back.
right.
Okay, okay. And explain to me, how long did you have that before?
Oh, a couple years,
2
for
years.
sure, yes.
Okay. And did you try anything else before we did this?
I did physical,
Okay,
Therapy.
physical therapy, and what else?
icing
Oral
it.
medicine, did you try?
Oral, yes, I
Yeah,
used
we
some
tried
kind
some
of pain.
medicine. What else did we try? We tried different things, right?
Oh yeah, what else did we do?
Yeah.
Nothing helped,
Right?
nothing.
Okay. And then we did the surgery when? June?
June 20th,
June 20th? Okay, so it's been 4 months now,
4 months, right.
And you are able to walk on this, no problem?
Before I couldn't even walk. It was so painful.
And now?
No pain,
Nothing.
none.
None whatsoever. So during recovery, you've been doing very well, thank God. And it's looking great. If you don't mind, let's take a look at it real quick here this way. There you go. You can see the incision is barely visible. It's on the back end there. And it looks very, very nice. And she's very able to move it up and down. Try, yeah, there you go. So you can see it's able to, the foot is moving up and down, no problems. So you're happy with it?
Immensely, yes.
Okay. Would you recommend it for other people?
I would for sure.
Okay. All right. Sounds wonderful. All right. So now you can see it. We just wanted to show this a little bit so as we can showcase our work. And if you have a problem like this, by all means, reach out to our office. You know our numbers. And thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you.